Hey there everyone, back again with a new unboxing here. So here we have a new package and this is going to be quite different unboxing wherein I will be unboxing and show you how this smart bulb actually works. Connected devices all around and Internet of Things is becoming the next big thing. That's how these days bulbs are evolved to connect remotely and manage it from your mobile too. So today I will be unboxing the new Smitch Wi-Fi RGB 10 watt B22 Base Smart Bulb, which is quite cheaper and good product in the online market. So let's start opening this package and see what we got in here. And here it is, the Wi-Fi RGB bulb, and it's really cheap. That cost me around 300 rupees during the sale, and excellent purchase too. So let's check the specifications here with this and see what all features it has got. This comes in two variants, 7 watt and 10 watt, and this is a RGB light LED smart bulb which handles the Indian power frequency of around 50 to 60 Hz and voltage between 220 to 240 volts. This bulb can be controlled with the app that they have provided, which is for both iOS and Android. It is around 120 mm height and 60 mm of width and depth. Let me peel this wrap and see what we have inside the box. On opening this, we have the instruction manual which lists all the product specifications and also the instruction on how to get started. Along with this, we see the bulb itself, and that's pretty much all sums up with the contents of this package. So let's talk about the product now. So the build quality is really awesome and it perfectly fits in the normal bulb holder and convenient to use too. This one really is for premium quality and I didn't expect this to be of this much quality though. And this brand is quite new in the Indian market and I was really confused if this is a worthy one, but once after using it I felt this one is really a worth for rupees 300. And now let's see how we can start using the smart bulb. Just insert the bulb into the holder and switch on the bulb and then use the app for handling it remotely. In the top of the carton we can see there is a QR scanner, and let me try scanning it through the Google Lens and install the Google app. Alright, here we go, the app for using the smart bulb to connect remotely. Download this and install My Smitch app. So once you have downloaded it, let's sign up for the first time with all your details. Once signed up, you will be asked to choose the device that you have from Smitch brand, and right now we have the smart bulb alone, which is already connected to the bulb holder. So let's choose that option. The bulb will be detected now and ready for getting connected with Wi-Fi. There's two options and you can connect either through Wi-Fi or connect directly to mobile. We can connect to Wi-Fi now, as connecting to mobile will drain your mobile battery as well. Once selected, provide your Wi-Fi connection details and allow the device to be connected to your Wi-Fi. So this is basically connecting the bulb with Wi-Fi and configuring with your mobile so that once the smart bulb is connected to your Wi-Fi, you can seamlessly integrate with your mobile app to control the settings. It's pretty simple and easy one. I hope this tutorial helps you a lot to connect with the smart bulb. Name your device now and there you go. You can remotely control the on-off, increase or reduce the illumination of light, and you have the option to change the colors that suits your space. The RGB color change is really perfect and it's accurate with the color that you choose. My favorite effect is this one. You can change the color of the bulb based on the music settings. So you can literally place your mobile near the speaker and the color changes rapidly based on the selected music. Also, few other features like random multicolor change, fast changing color effects similar to discotheque, and the most beautiful candlelight effect. So these are the few features that we have on the mobile app. Also, there you can control the temperature of your bulb, from high to subtle low based on your mood. Also, there is an option to auto on and off with the settings that you can choose, and so you can literally command the bulb to switch on and off at the specific timing with the color you choose. So here are the few samples on the color changes that I took. It doesn't seem to me like more dull or more bright and looks pretty decent for 10 watts. This is a go-to purchase if you want to have one to control remotely and wanted to spice up your life with different lightings. I would not recommend this light for shooting videos, as there are few other devices available in the market that can be best suited for video shoots, and let me know your thoughts on this one. So that's it for this unboxing today with the smart bulb. Hope you have liked this one. Let me know if you have any queries on the comment section below, and do follow me on the Instagram. Thumbs and subs if you liked it. See you guys next time.